wanna be nosy, watch the video. Watch the video. This song is giving me too much. So I'm making a quick intro. I had really fun filming this video today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, or you're gonna enjoy it because I already filmed it, so I'm talking in past tense. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You saw me talk about, you know, my yoga journey, my fitness journey, everything that I'm working on. I'm putting little secrets out. You know what I'm doing. You wanna be nosy? Watch the video. Watch the video. If you wanna have fun with me, watch the video. If you wanna laugh, watch the video. Cause it's all vibes on this channel. It's all vibes on this channel. So just hit the subscribe button. Follow my Instagram page, my Twitter page will be on the screen. Hey y'all, so it's Hawa. I'm back on the scene, posting content as I should be. So today I'm doing an everyday get ready with me, an everyday look. Just like a simple natural look that I would do if I was to go out, if I was going out at night, if I wanted to get cute for school. Maybe I barely get ready for school like that. I just put on my clothes and get out the house. I'm gonna just do like a little, you know, skincare, flawless skin look for you guys. And also I'm gonna chit chat, so I'm gonna get into it and we're gonna talk a little bit. I'm gonna update you on, like, you know, my life the last 3 years, I want to say. Right now I'm gonna just moisturize my skin. I'm gonna put vitamin E oil on my skin. I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac. I've been binge watching it for 2 weeks. I'm on season 5. I'm behind. I'm not sure what season on now, but I'm sure. I'm looking at the viewfinder because I don't really have a mirror, so I'm just putting on the oil. But this show is crazy, bro. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna moisturize my face with this generic brand facial moisturizer. It has SPF 15 on it, but I'm gonna add this to my skin, a little pump. It's been like 4 years since I've been posting on YouTube consistently. I did post a Miami vlog that was lit. I hope you loved it, because I did enjoy my time. It did have its ups and downs, but I did enjoy my time. Now I am going to put on baby skin on my certain areas, like T-zone area and anything that gets oily for me, like really oily. And by the way, putting vitamin E honestly has been helping my skin. I feel like adding oil to a combination skin does help revive it and, like, you know, balance it out. I've been feeling more, you know, more like Oshun, like when I put vitamin E oil. So, you know, it's doing its thing. Tapping into my goddess energy. Speaking of goddess energy, I don't know if all of you guys know, I did start a business inspired by goddess energy, helping women tap into their divine feminine and how to break out of toxic cycles. It's a self-help type of journey, self-development. It's all, you're doing work on yourself as you use my products. So I have candles, I sell yoni herbs. I'm trying to make sure this is in my skin because I don't know how it looks. I don't have a mirror. I'm about to get a mirror in a second though. Yeah, but yeah, it's basically a self-help journey. Like, you can use my products. You can use my products. You're gonna buy my products. Like, I have candles. I have an Oshun candle that I dressed myself with lavender, motherwort, Damiana, and I think that's all. And then I also sprinkle some cinnamon on there, and you can just light it, meditate with it. I also give my clients a citrine crystal as well to go with it, because citrine goes with the sacral chakra. So I enjoy it. I honestly enjoy the work. It's a good side hustle for me, and I'm learning how to be a bit better business owner every day. I'm using all my marketing skills that I developed as a sales girl. So, you know, yeah, it's been helping out a lot. I also have a mattifying primer from FX. Cover FX. This is an acne treatment as well, so I'm going to use a little bit of it. I did try to, I don't want to put too much layers, but like I said, this is like an everyday skin makeup look. I want to look natural. So I'm going to put it on the T-zone area, places that get oily, places that I will like, I want to pop, you know. I want people to notice when they look at me. I'm going to use a powder brush to make sure everything's in. I got my brows done about like, I want to say 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. So they're not that crazy right now, but I can fill them in. I will do that. I usually do. Right now my brows are like, I like this shape. I like the 90s, you know, thin brow look. It's cute. So I'm gonna just start with my brows and I'm gonna talk to you guys about it. So yeah, like I said, my business area is a challenge, but challenge does not always have to be a bad thing. Challenges could be a good thing. So I'm just learning, and business is not an easy field. It's always trial and error, and I have learned. I have invested my money into this business. I have lost money. I have gained money, and I do honestly see my business doing well in the next few months. I'm just manifesting it. Another thing, I've been manifesting. I've been trying to journal more lately. I've been trying to be consistent with my journaling and my spirituality so that, you know, the words that I say come true, because words are powerful. It's a spell. It's a spell. So if you curse, you just put a spell on it. You know what I mean? It's spelling yourself or somebody else or an object, something like that. So words are really powerful. So I'm just trying to work on being positive and being grounded. But the thing about me, I'm a Sagittarius, by the way. I'm so hell-bent on trying to make moves. Every 5 minutes, I'm creating ideas in my mind. Like, oh, I could do this. But they're not realistic. So I'm trying to make sure that when I do make moves, it's realistic. Can this really happen? Like dark brown pencils just to fill in my brows a bit, clean it up with concealer, you know, the regular thing. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and come back because I've been talking for too long and I don't got a lot of memory on this cord. So just give me a second and I'll be right back. So I finished my eyebrows. Alright, so I finished my eyebrows and I'm going to just do my face quick because this part shouldn't take that long. Eyebrows take the longest. And what I do is I make sure I blend the heck out of my under eyebrows, like my, you know where you conceal. I did use concealer. I used a brown pencil to fill in my brows, and I used this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer in the number 6 Sun Beige. Pretty light for me, but I blend to get off that white cast. I don't want no problems. Now that I'm done with that, next up would be using pressed powder. Ooh, I just got mad Sacha Buttercup on me. Sacha Buttercup. I'm gonna use that underneath my eyes, my eyebrow, and I'm gonna press it in. Yeah. Got a white cast. We're gonna wipe that off. Now next step is just putting concealer in problem places. So I'm gonna use, you know, our old, you know, Miracle Worker LA Girl Pro once I find that. Yeah, I'm gonna use taffy because I do have a little tan. Use taffy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Alright. So this is how it looks. I apply concealer to certain areas.
See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind.
I'm gonna grab some orange concealer and I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna just conceal. I'm gonna use LA Girls with orange concealer.
Choose you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
So yeah, it's blended out. I'm not trying to go out too far. Just stay right underneath the eye. I'm going to blend out my powder on my lids so that it doesn't become a white cast. But yeah, what else can I talk about with you guys? Fitness, yoga, strength training. So yeah, I've been going into fitness. The last 2 years I've been really working out hard. I've been working out since 2019 consistently, like on and off. 2019. But I've always been into fitness. I don't know if you were like, if you were here in the early days of my YouTube channel, I used to like post fitness videos, not fitness, but like weight loss videos and all that stuff, because I do have a body type that lose weight. It goes through different body cycles, so I definitely went through that a lot. And then there was a time from age 14 to age like 19, I want to say, my body was consistently the same size. I think by the time I was 20, I jumped to a size like 120, 125, and then I got to 129, but I didn't have belly fat. I just looked more grown. So my hormones changed, and I learned that, you know, we go through multiple puberty stages in our life as females, and I had to like learn that. I'm gonna use Maybelline's Matte and Poreless Fit Me in the color 340. Just a little bit. We're gonna just make it very natural. But yeah, fitness has been the love of my life, honestly. Like, honestly, I'm loving it. Like, and it's a challenge. Sometimes I don't want to work out. Sometimes I don't have the time, and I wish I did. But it's the effort. Even if I jog or walk for like 20 minutes around my neighborhood, I mean, that's something. And I noticed that when I do put concealer and conceal problem areas, I don't need to use that much foundation. Notice that? But yeah, back to fitness. So fitness is definitely my love of my life. I post a lot of fitness content. I'm trying to get better with how I post content on Instagram and have an aesthetic, because I want to have an aesthetic-based page. I'm an artist. I need to have an aesthetic. So I'm just trying to figure out how do I go about it, how should it look, all of that, you know. Just blending it in. I'm not gonna cook too much. I'm not gonna do cream contouring in here. I don't know why I'm using this foundation brush for concealer. Don't be mad at me in the comments. I'm just trying to get this done in a good speed of time. But this is getting in there. Oh, I am getting in there pretty well. But I usually will use a beauty blender, honestly, or the Real Technique beauty. What do they call this? The Real Techniques is dirty, guys. I'm sorry. The Real Technique sponge, because it does a really good job. But I think this foundation brush is getting in there real good, and I like it. Ooh. Now I am going to set with the Shasha Buttercup. Yeah, a Real Techniques brush to put that under.
Inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you.
Alright, so now that I did that, I'm gonna have to still go with another powder brush to brush it out, to get it out there. But I'm gonna apply some. Highlighter. So I'm gonna use an old eyeshadow that I've always used for years. It's called Enchanted from Elf. Always use this. I'm gonna stick with it. I like it. I also do mix the this palette, the Wild and Radiant, and I just mix it like whatever I use. I'm gonna use this fan brush right here, and I'm gonna just go through the whole thing. Whatever it picks up, it picks up. I really
Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
See that, baby? Let me not drag it though, because I'm getting crazy with it. Let me just make sure I blend it out. I'm getting a little crazy. I'm getting excited. I'm getting too excited, baby girl. Get messy. Let me start being messy. But yeah, put underneath my eyebrows. I hope you guys can see it. That's how it looks. I'm gonna do mascara. No, I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do lashes, because I don't normally wear lashes like that. But for mascara, I often pile a bunch of mascaras together, and honestly it helps me piling it together. So I use Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Drugstore, baby, drugstore. And
it's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
just do a brown lip liner as usual. Ooh, I need to sharpen this. Oh hell no. I need to sharpen this. Oh my god. I'm trying to like beat time. I'm not trying to have this camera die on me. Alright, it's fine. I'm gonna just try my best to use this. Barely sharpened, but it's a brown lip liner. I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup. Basically, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer. I do look, you know, snatched. I look snatched, but you know, and this is natural cheekbones, baby girl. There is nothing, no bronzer on. Just God. God made these cheekbones, okay? So, should I help God out a little bit when He made me? Should I help Him a little bit? I think He did a good job. I'm not gonna hold you. He made a beautiful woman. Woo! But I am gonna use ELF a little bit. ELF. I think this is like Turks and Caicos. Yeah. Been using this for years. I do want to upgrade my makeup. I do. But I just don't know. Like, I feel like I'm somebody like, I'm always looking for new things. I just don't wear makeup that often to buy new products, try new things. But I am going to try to venture out. I'm gonna put a little bit right here. And then I'm gonna just keep it. Yeah, that's it. That's all I need because this is a lot. And this is pigmented. Don't sleep on ELF. Don't sleep on ELF because they are really pigmented. Yeah, I'm gonna apply whatever's on the brush onto my face, and that's it. I'm gonna finish off my lips because I'm jumping back and forth. I'm gonna add pink to my face because I need some pink. So what is this? This is like a dark pink lip gloss. Alright, here, because I don't think I wanna. Yeah, I wanna use pink today. I don't feel like. So I'm wrapping up the video. My camera did die on me, so I'm gonna spray the Mara Bestio Cucumber Aloe and Green Tea Facial Mist. I think we did good for our first debut video back on YouTube, honestly, because come on, baby, I'm giving you line for my makeup. If I did like put on a choker just to be cute, be extra a little bit, match my earring. You know, if you want a video on how I did my faux locks, the video on my lip gloss collection from East Shop is coming out soon. I have many more videos, fitness videos, food videos, all of that stuff that I post on my Instagram will be on YouTube as well. Fashion videos are coming back as well. Beauty-based videos, skincare videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, they're all coming back. Like, we're doing this. And just stay with me, okay? Just stay with me, stay consistent with me, because as long as you stay consistent with me, I'll be consistent with you. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna work hard to be on your screen as much as possible. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye.